Hey guys, I'm at the body shop and gonna pick up Maude today. She's not all the way ready. We're gonna need to bring her back, but we want her for Halloween and to drive her around, do some stuff. So there's definitely some stuff that needs to be done. There's some parts on order and they're gonna go back over it again. Wet sand, buff, all that kind of stuff. So she's not fully complete, but excited to bring her to the house. Wanted to give you guys an update. All right, so a lot of you Steve's Haunted Yard fans that love the hearse and Maude, I'll give you an update. That right there is Maude's starter. We actually tried to come up here a week ago to get her. Gonna show you her right now. She is looking mighty fine. I mean, look at that shine. They actually kind of dusted her off yesterday. There's still more for them to do, but we wanted it for October. Specifically for Halloween. There's still a lot of touch-up they have to do, and there's obviously a lot of work that we have to do on her, just for in the future, you know, like all this like dings on her bumper and stuff like that, which again will happen over time. But they got the starter off. We couldn't get her started. It would start, but while it's here, they're working on it. Let's just go ahead and get a new starter on it. I'm going to take it to a place to have it rebuilt. They usually do it in about a day, but I wanted to give you guys a look at this paint. I mean, she is looking so freaking awesome. I mean, I cannot wait to drive her around. You know, we get the Landau bars back on. There's some trim around that we have to replace and fix and get on. Like, we did not have all this trim here, was gone when we got her, so I'm gonna have to find that trim that goes there. There's things that need to be re-chromed on her now that her paint job looks good, which now it really shows up, whereas before it didn't show up. I have a dash cover that goes in here again, but man, look at that shine. Woo. Can't wait to get her emblems back on, her Landau bars, get this chrome polished up. Dude, look at that. She is so freaking awesome. Look at that. Crazy. Maude, you're looking fabulous. All right, guys, got the starter back. Man, look at how gorgeous this rebuilt starter is. This thing looks freaking awesome. All right, but let's get it to the shop. install it. We are finally driving Maude home. Julie's driving at a blazing 35. Woo! Let's see if I can get a side here of it. Man, she looks awesome.